Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install DragonOS 37 Focal Edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first download, go to any search engine and search for DragonOS. Hit enter. Okay, see here, we can download by going to this page or this SourceForge. So I am directly going to SourceForge. So click on DragonOS Focal Download. Then see here the default user is live and no password. Okay, and see this FocalX and Focal are out of box Ubuntu based operating systems. Okay, and if you want to see the list of the applications that comes with, or see these are the list of the applications that comes with DragonOS. So go to files. See here we have the FocalX 37.1, that is the latest one, or means release 37.1 ISO file. That is the latest one and its size is 4.2 gigabytes. Click on it. See, wait a moment, it will start downloading in 5 seconds. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is 3.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox, click on new or machine and select new, both are same. Then give the name for the virtual machine. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down, then select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. New folder. Select the folder, then in the drop down select the downloaded ISO file. Click on other. See here I have the ISO file. So click on it, open. See, once you selected, type selected as Linux, subtype as Ubuntu, version as 64-bit. Then click on hardware. I am going to give 4 gigabytes as memory. It is up to you. Number of CPU cores 2. Then hardware. By default it has selected 25 gigabytes. I am giving it 50. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings, select this virtual machine from the list and right click on settings, or select it and machine and settings okay, or click on settings. All three options are same. Okay, once you are okay with all the settings, then click on the start button to start the installation of DragonOS 37 FocalX on VirtualBox. Click on it. See here we have the two options: boot DragonOS FocalX 37.1 live system, or check the disk for defects. So select the first one, that is boot DragonOS, and hit enter. See, it is powered by Ubuntu. See, if you want to use, you can use for testing purpose. But if you want to install permanently, you have to click on install DragonOS FocalX. So right click and select open. Then click on execute. Then select the language and click on continue. Keyboard layout, I am going with English US. Then click on continue. See, if you want to download updates while installing DragonOS, you have to select this one, or if you want to update later, you can unselect. But I want to download updates later, so unselect it. If you want to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats, you have to select the checkbox. Then click on continue. These two are up to you, so click on continue. Now select the erase disk and install DragonOS. Then click on install now. This is confirmation. Just click on continue. Now select your location on this globe, or you can search here also. I am okay with the default one, so click on continue. Now we have to set up user. So I'm giving user full name as R2 schools. Here computer name or host name are same. So I'm giving DragonOS 37 and this will be the username. Now provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. See, installation is in progress. I'm going to pause this video and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then I will resume and I will show you the post installation steps. See, installation is completed. Now click on restart now. Click on it. See the message. Please remove the installation medium and then press enter. Okay. Go to VirtualBox. See, it is already empty. Optical drive is empty. So it is already removed. Okay. No need to do anything. Just go to here, press on here and hit enter. Now provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. See, if you observe, before we were having install Dragon FocalX icon on the desktop. Now it is gone. Okay. So now open terminal. Click on terminal. Hostname. See, this is the hostname DragonOS 37. If you enter, see, that is the hostname. If you want to verify IP of this machine, just go ifconfig. See, now go to applications. See here, see here, we have a number of applications. Okay. The first step after connecting to DragonOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DragonOS 37 FocalX edition on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.